Oh yeah.
What'd you get?
Some NMDs.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Okay. What colorway?
They had this gum bottom,
Dang.
black gum bottom ones. Yeah.
I feel. You're good, man.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too.
Hi, spaghetti meatballs. Thank you.
Hello. Ready to unbox this?
Yeah.
Ready to see your reactions?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Am I in all of this?
Yeah,
Can I just sit here and look pretty?
pretty much.
I can do that.
So this is pretty much, it's called the Gum Pack.
The gum pack?
Yeah, it's an NMD. I don't know what that stands for at all. Where is like wanted as the other shoes?
Why not?
I don't know. Not a whole lot of people want it, I guess. I want to open it upside down. So, this is it.
Ooh,
Hold it.
I like it.
The top is called Pine Knit.
I like it. It's soft.
Yeah, it's really soft. It's like a glove. It's like wearing a sweater. You might be able to fit it.
Yeah.
Try it.
It's like weird. Heck yeah, I can fit it on my.
When your girlfriend has the same size shoe as you.
I like these.
Yeah?
Yeah.
These are nice.
Yeah.
You get to wear them too.
Oh yeah.
Show them what you were wearing today. The Gum Pack. I let her use these.
This is a Chuki Beat production.
Well, that wraps it up for my video today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing with my girlfriend Laura. Thank you for watching. Please like down below in the comment section, comment on what you thought. Subscribe. This is Quicker Kicks signing out.